All right, we have an exponential growth problem. So let's see what we're given. Population doubles every 20 minutes. After 120 minutes, the population is 60,000. So we need to find the initial population and the population after 4 hours. We'll change that 4 hours to 240 minutes since our given information is in minutes. All right, let's take a look at the function. Basic exponential growth function, continuous. We take the initial population, multiply by e to the power tr, where t is time in minutes and r is the growth rate. All right. And we'll take this doubling information to find the rate. Okay, so it says after 20 minutes, population doubles. So we can take the original or the initial population, grow it for 20 minutes, and it will be double the initial. And we can factor out a p of 0. And we have this. Now we want to solve for r. We use logarithms. So base e would be, we would use the natural log. Okay, so you need to know your log rules of exponents. The left side just becomes 20r. We divide by 20. This will give us an expression for r. So I would just use ln 2 over 20 for r rather than the decimal, but that's roughly what it equals, 0.0347. All right, now we can take that and find the initial population. Okay, so given the information that after 120 minutes, the population is 60,000, we plug in those numbers, solve for the initial population. Okay, the exponent here we can simplify a bit. 120 over 20 is 6. And then e to the 6 ln 2 is 2 to the power 6. Okay? So you need to know your log rules. That's 64. You divide that, and something curious happens here. We have an initial population of 937.5. So that 0.5 says there's a half a bacterium. So it's not sure if these given numbers are even possible. But anyway, this is math, not biology. So now we want to find the population after 4 hours. We change to minutes, plug everything in. We have the initial population. We have an expression for the rate, so we put those in. Okay, then we're going to simplify that exponent. 240 over 20 is 12. So that whole thing becomes 2 to the power 12. All right, and multiply it out. You see that if you have population doubling like this, that it blows up very, very fast. After 4 hours, 3,840,000. All right. Maybe ask your teacher if you can have a half a bacterium there. But there's the answer based on what was given. All right, I hope that was helpful.